You just found out, your heart is racing, your world feels shattered, and your brain is trying to make sense of something that doesn't make sense at all. What now? Hi, and welcome to After Infidelity, What Now? In this video, we'll walk through the first 7 days after discovering your partner's betrayal. What should you do? What should you avoid? And how can you protect yourself emotionally, mentally, and physically when everything feels like it's falling apart? Let's start with day 1 and day 2, shock and survival. You may feel numb, or maybe you're sobbing uncontrollably. You might want to scream, break things, or beg your partner for the truth. These reactions are normal. Right now, your nervous system is in fight, flight, or freeze. Your only job in these first 48 hours, slow down, create safety, drink water, rest, cry, breathe. You don't have to confront everything today. You don't need all the answers right now. Focus on your basic needs. Day 3 and day 4, stabilization. You may still feel like you're in a fog. This is when people often want to confront the cheating partner, ask questions, or make decisions. But please pause, stabilize first. This is a good time to reach out to someone safe. Not someone who will pressure you or shame your partner, but someone who can sit with you and say, "This is not your fault, you're not alone." Journal your thoughts, cry without censoring, and remind yourself you are allowed to wait before reacting. Day 5 and 6, information gathering. Now you might feel ready to ask your partner questions, but here's the trick. Ask only what you need to begin understanding, not everything. Avoid asking for graphic details that will create lifelong trauma images in your mind. Instead, focus on the facts. Was it physical or emotional? Is the affair over? Was it one person or more? And most importantly, is your partner willing to be honest and accountable? Day 7, a first check-in with yourself. You've made it through the first week. That alone is something to acknowledge. Take today to check in with yourself. What have you learned? What boundaries do you need right now? Do you need space, transparency, time apart? This is also a good day to start learning about betrayal trauma, because what you're going through is real and there is a path forward. If you're here, hurting, and wondering what comes next, know this: healing doesn't start with your partner's answers. It starts with your clarity and care. Subscribe for weekly guidance, support, and real tools for recovery. You're not broken. You're not alone. You're at the beginning of something new, even if it's not the story you wanted. We'll walk it together.